Hello. So today we're going to go over how to uh, create an OpenAI key to get access to the ChatGPT API. And so the ChatGPT API is separate from the ChatGPT software that you encounter when you go to chat.openai.com. This here is completely separate from the ChatGPT API and incurs a different cost structure than API access. And so the access you actually want to sign up for is going to platform.openai.com, and you're going to want to sign up for an account there. If you already have a ChatGPT account with chat.openai.com, you can just enable the platform settings. But for now, I'm just going to go through the process of setting up from ground zero, and I'm going to create a new account here from the platform. And so it's going to ask you to verify your email. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Give me 1 second. All right, so I've got the verification link here, and I'm going to go ahead and do that. And there we go. It's going to ask you for some basic information. And hopefully, oh, birthday is required. I'm just going to put in a random birthday here, because this is just a test account. And so here we go. We're at the platform. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go into your API keys. And so you're going to go into the API keys setting here. So here we go. Oh, it's going to need me to verify my phone number. I'm just going to do this offline. Okay, and so we entered the phone number and entered the code, and so now we're going to continue. And now to create a key, you can hit the create new secret key here, and then you're going to name it. So I'm just going to name it SEO Pilot SaaS Writer Key, because you can use it for different purposes. We're just going to use it for the SEO Pilot SaaS Writer. And so here we go. It's going to give you your key. You're going to copy that, and then you're going to go into your SEO Pilot. You're going to log into your account. And in your API key settings, you're going to edit the API key and paste in the key that was provided to you. And there you go. That's how you create an API key and put it into the system. A couple notes on the usage of ChatGPT. So if you'll notice, if you go to your billing section, you're going to need to ensure that billing is enabled. I think right now this account is on a free trial. You can see it has a $5 credit. However, once you use this credit, and you only get a certain amount of time to use this credit as well, the API will stop working. And so you need to make sure that you add payment details here to make sure that you can recharge your balance in order for the API to continue working and for SEO Pilot to keep using your API key. If you run out of your balance here, you will SEO Pilot's AI Writer will stop working. And you will need to come back here to your billing section to recharge or your balance. What we recommend is adding payment details here, adding a credit card, making sure that your uh, payment is payment information is populated. And then once you have added a credit card, enabling auto recharge. So that way, if your credit usage goes down to zero and your credit remaining goes down to zero, it will automatically recharge your account up to, and you can set whatever, your it to recharge once it goes down below a certain amount or when it goes down to zero, and then how much it recharges as well. So we definitely recommend doing this to ensure that you do not run into any problems with balances once your account is created. Thanks very much, and thanks for using SEO Pilot.